Yes, today we're talking about the 2026 Toyota Camry, a sedan that proves the future of driving doesn't have to be electric only or overly complicated. Let's dive in and discover what makes this Camry a true next-generation upgrade. First things first, let's talk about the design. The 2026 Camry has received a bold refresh that instantly makes it look more premium and aggressive. The front grille is sharper, the headlights are slimmer with advanced LED technology, and the overall body lines are more aerodynamic. Toyota has clearly focused on making the Camry look sporty without losing its elegant sedan identity. From the redesigned alloy wheels to the sleeker rear taillights, this Camry looks like it belongs in the future, not the past. Interior and comfort, step inside, and this is where things really get interesting. The interior of the 2026 Camry feels cleaner, smarter, and more driver-focused. You're greeted by a larger digital instrument cluster and a floating touchscreen infotainment system that's faster and more responsive than before. Materials feel more premium, with soft-touch surfaces and improved seat comfort. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on long road trips, the cabin is designed to keep you relaxed, connected, and in control. Smart technology and automation. Now let's get to the tech, because this is where the Camry shines. The 2026 model introduces smarter automation features, including improved voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and enhanced over-the-air software updates, performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 Camry continues Toyota's focus on efficiency and reliability. Hybrid technology plays a major role here, delivering excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. Acceleration feels smooth, city driving is effortless, and highway cruising is quiet and stable. Safety features AFD is another area where the Camry continues to lead. The 2026 version comes packed with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and improved pedestrian detection. The 2026 Toyota Camry proves that sedans are far from dead. They're evolving. Smarter tech, sleeker design, and intelligent automation make this one of the most exciting Camry models yet. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more car automation content, and let me know in the comments, would you choose the 2026 Camry over an SUV? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.